रेडी?
What do you think Sunny Sapphire as a person, as an individual, as an
सबसे पहले तो ये अच्छा वेल फिनिश मार्केट सिटी कुरला में आके लगा मुझे बड़ा अच्छा इज़्दा हसीना अगर मिसी रोटी है मैं हूँ पराठा लच्छा इज़्दा
फिनिक्स एक डांस का प्रोग्राम है, फिनिक्स मार्केट सिटी इस तरह के कॉज जो नए टैलेंट को प्रमोट कर रहा है, तो आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
मैं यही कहना चाहूँगा भी डांस बहुत चीज़ है, मैं भी बहुत पसंद करता हूँ डांस को, और जितने यहाँ कलाकार हैं सब एक से एक हैं, मतलब अभी सीनियर आर्टिस्ट आ चुकी हैं, सुधा चंद्रन जी ये भी बहुत कमाल हैं, बाकी जस्सी हैं, मेघना नायडू हैं, और जितने नाम पड़े रितु शिवपुरी जी हैं आने वाली हैं। लेकिन डांस तो मेरा फेवरेट है। मैं अगर आपने कभी FIR देखते हो मैं भी उसमें बहुत ठुमके लगाता हूँ, अच्छा लगता है मुझे भी डांस करना, क्योंकि डांस बहुत प्यार है डांस करना।
सर क्या आज थोड़े ठुमके आपके देखेंगे FIR
ओ या श्योर, व्हाई नॉट, कम ऑन कैरी ऑन। आया कमर पे नहीं आया था।
all the more it's because Sandeep Soparkar is organizing this show, and I've never had the privilege of dancing with Sandeep, though I've been a great fan of his, and it really adds a lot of values because he goes into a very different form of dancing. But it's so nice to know that all the other forms of dancing have also been bought into this entire thing, and dance as a whole, as a totality, is being judged today, and it's wonderful because if you go to see today, in every house you have at least 3 or 4 kids who are dancing. So dance is an integral part of our life today, and it's such a wonderful thing that we're actually giving so much of importance to dance. And thanks to Sandeep and his entire team for organizing this wonderful event, and I'm so happy to be a part of it today.
So you have done a lot of things to promote dancing in India as such. So what do you comment on this? As a dancer, you have contributed a lot.
Well, as a dancer, I have contributed a lot. To dancing, I have not contributed anything much, because I think what Sandeep is doing today is really wonderful, and it should be an eye-opener for dancers like us, because it has always been my desire to do something like this for dance, but I could never venture into it, or maybe I didn't have the guts to do it. But seeing Sandeep organize such a wonderful thing, I should take a tip from him and start doing something like this too.
But to make a mark in the creative field, dancing, it's more challenging as compared to others.
Well, yes, because dance, is something that requires a lot of dedication, a lot of time, a lot of commitment, and I think it's very important that people who commit to dancing have to give in a lot of time of their personal life and also a lot of their personal pleasures have to be sacrificed. So it's very important that once you are prepared for this, then you take the next step is dancing, and once you are into it, my personal view is that dance is something that connects you to the Almighty. It is something very divine, because once when you're performing, you just tend to forget what's happening around you. You just connect to the Almighty, and then I think that takes you onto a very, very different level.